if you are using a theme that is custom made for you by a developer and he has not provided you any theme panel for you to customize your font colors, or you are a developer and you are coding a theme and you don't have time to create a theme panel for your to customize the colors. So in other ways, other circumstances, you can use this font color options, and you can see here I have not yet activated my plugin, so you can see this basic custom panel, customization panel. This is came with this theme 2021, and you can see it is just giving background color, one background color option. So right now I am just showing you my font color panel plugin, and soon I am going to introduce my background color panel also. So I am showing you how to install it. It is already installed, uploaded, and we just have to I just have to go and activate this plugin. You can see it's here, HA font color customizer. It's activated. Now I will go to my customization panel. Here guys, you can see HA font colors, and there are the options. All are and deactivated. Only this one is active, showing active. You can also deactivate it if you don't want it. If you want it, just activate it and go and change the color. You can see it's showing the change, and just using these colors to show you the difference. Now you can see any color you want, you can just activate it and use the color, select the color. If you just select the color and don't activate it, it will not the changes will not take effect. You need to activate it. It will override the existing colors of the theme. So H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 all are separately given, so you don't have to worried about changing one heading type, and it will not ruin your other heading colors settings. So you can see link color, link hover, nav link. Link colors are simple links all around the website like this one, but nav link will override these link color settings, and it will change the nav nav color panel settings, color section settings, and it will this is nav link hover setting. This is drop down link. If you have your nav link have a drop down, so it will change the color of the drop down. If your drop down is in contrast background and you need different colors for your drop down links and their hovers, you can use it. And you can see this footer font color and footer heading colors. So this is button color. If you have any button, or in even if you have input submit buttons, you can change the color of it. So we can see nav link brown, and we have to activate it. This is hover, so you can see this hover is working. This is nav link. This is green. This is green now. This link is not changed because nav is very separate, specific to nav links. These are simple links. You can see these are hovers. This is maybe H2, I think so. Not sure. Color. this simple body text, that's why it is not changing. But you can change anything. So it's very easy. You can just install it from the library, WordPress library, and or download it from my theme page, my plugin page, or and upload it and install it and use it. Thank you.